illustrators, and happy Valentine's Day! Today I am going to teach you how to draw a bundle of Valentine's Day balloons. So go ahead and grab all of your drawing materials and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our penguin character holding a set of Valentine's Day balloons. We're going to start with our penguin. And you'll notice that I'm starting down here towards the bottom of my paper because we want to have plenty of room for our heart balloons going up here. So to start our penguin, we're going to do a slightly curved line for the top of our penguin's head. And the rest of the face will be pretty much like the letter U, coming down, across, and back up. All right, we're going to add the top flipper here. And we'll fill in with the rest of the penguin's body, down, across, and back up. And the other flipper is going to come upward. So this is the one that's holding on to the balloons. And back down. Little feet down here. Now for our penguin's face, we're going to pretty much make like the top of a heart shape. And this will help set us up for some color success, because this will stay white so that we can see the details of the face. We want 2 eyes, 1, and 2. Two little eyebrows. And we want an upside down triangle for the nose. All right, now we're going to add the balloons. So to do that, we're going to come to this part of the hand that's cupped like it's holding on to something, and we're going to draw 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. You'll notice that the second line here is the tallest one. We want them to be different heights like this because we want to make sure that we have room to put the hearts on. So we'll start with this one because this one's going to be in the front. So we'll make a heart shape here. And then 2 little lines there to show that the balloon is tied. And we'll put a little section here. This will show that it's like a highlight there on the balloon. And that'll also help us when we start to color. So the second balloon is going to be another heart over here. And it's going to be behind this one. So this one is in the very front. So we won't fully see the heart that's behind it because that front balloon is blocking it. So we get some neat depth here in this illustration today. Tie there at the bottom. And just like up here, we'll add a little highlight And we'll add the third heart over here. Just like we did with this one, this heart will be appearing behind this front one. And a little tie. We'll also be adding a highlight to this heart as well. And this time we'll do it on this side. All right, illustrators, there is our outline for our penguin holding some Valentine's Day balloons. Now we get to add some color. So go ahead and get your markers, crayons, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. All right, illustrators, the very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I also hope that you have a very happy Valentine's Day. I'll see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!